If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, there's one thing you need to get right from the start. Choose the right affiliate network. A good network doesn't just give you access to brands. It gives you leverage, one dashboard, one payment. Dozens, sometimes thousands of programs under one roof. Let's break down the 7 affiliate networks that are worth your attention. Number 7, Commission Junction, or CJ. It's one of the oldest in the game. From travel to tech, CJ offers thousands of options. The interface may feel a bit outdated, but the brand access, think Nike, Wayfair, makes it worth it. Number 6, ShareASale. Beginner-friendly, easy to get accepted. Over 30,000 merchants. Higher commissions than Amazon. Perfect for niches like food, fashion, home decor, and tech. Number 5, Impact. Modern, powerful, and loaded with big-name brands. Shopify, Bluehost, Teachable. If you're tired of juggling multiple affiliate logins, this platform simplifies everything. All your links, one place. One payout. Number 4, Amazon Associates. You know it. Everyone does. Massive product catalog and instant trust. The downside? Commissions are low, and the 24-hour cookie expires fast. Still, it's the easiest entry point to affiliate marketing. Number 3, LTK, formerly Reward Style. If you're in fashion, beauty, or home decor, this one's gold. You get a shoppable storefront and tools to promote multiple products with ease. Great commissions, especially when paired with Pinterest traffic. Number 2, ClickBank. This is where digital products rule. Ebooks, courses, memberships. Commissions up to 80%, because the creators have almost no overhead. Perfect for info products in health, wealth, and self-development. Number 1, PartnerStack. If you're in software or business tools, this is your cash machine. Recurring commissions, 20, 30, even 40%. You earn monthly for as long as your referrals stay subscribed. 7 networks, endless opportunity. Now the only thing left to do is take action. Click the link in the description and start building your affiliate income the smart way, today.